Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue triangle fully confined in a rectangle ABCD, as you can see in this diagram, such that the area of this blue shaded triangle is 405 centimeters square. And furthermore, this side length CD is 45 centimeter. This side length FB is 30 centimeter. And this vertical length is 12 centimeter. And now we are going to calculate the area of this rectangle ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And since we are interested in finding the area of this rectangle ABCD, and now let's recall the area of a rectangle formula. Area equals to length times width. In our case, our length is 45 and we don't know our width. Let's assume that the width of this rectangle ABCD is y centimeter. And now our task is to find the value of this width y, so that we can figure out the area of this rectangle by using this formula. Now let's go ahead and make an observation. We know that this side length CD is 45 centimeter. Then this whole side length is going to be 45 centimeter as well. And we know that this side length is 30. So therefore, this side length has got to be 45 minus 30 is going to give us 15 centimeter. And now we know that this side length BC is y. So therefore, this side length AD is going to be y as well. So therefore, this vertical side length ED is going to be y minus 12. And now we can see we got these four triangles. This is the first triangle, second, third, and fourth triangle. Let's assume the area of this triangle is A sub 1. The area for this triangle is A sub 2. The area for this triangle is A sub 3. And finally, the area of this triangle is A sub 4. Then we can make an observation. We can see the area of this whole rectangle ABCD is going to be equal to the sum of all these individual areas, as you can see in this right hand side of this equation. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this right triangle EAF. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half time base times height. In our case, our base is 15 and our height is 12 for this triangle. So therefore, the area of this triangle is going to be A sub 1 equals to a half times our base is 15 times height is 12. And if we simplify everything, that is going to give us 90 centimeters square. So therefore, our A sub 1 turns out to be 90 centimeters square. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this next right triangle FBC, whose base is 30 and whose height is y. So let's go ahead and apply this triangle area formula once again. So area this time is going to be A sub 2 is going to be a half times our base is 30 and our height is y. So therefore, the area A sub 2 is going to be 15 times y. And now let's focus on this next right triangle CDE, whose side lengths are 45 and y minus 12. So let's go ahead and calculate the area of this triangle by using this area of triangle formula. So area this time is going to be A sub 3 is going to be a half times our base is 45 times our height is y minus 12. Let's go ahead and distribute on the right hand side. So this is going to give us 45y divided by 2 minus 270. So thus the area A sub 3 turns out to be 45 divided by 2 times y minus 270. And finally, let's go ahead and calculate the area of this rectangle ABCD. Area is always equal to length times width. So therefore, the area of this rectangle ABCD is going to be 45 times y. And now let's go ahead and substitute all these individual areas in this triangle. We already figured out the rectangle ABCD area, as you can see over here, along with these areas A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, and our A sub 4 area is 405 centimeters square. So let's go ahead and substitute. So this is going to become on the left hand side 45 times y equal to our area A sub 1 is 90 plus A sub 2 is 15y plus A sub 3 is 45y divided by 2 minus 270, and finally plus A sub 4 is 405. And now we can see we got a fraction over here. 2 is at the denominator. So therefore, I'm going to multiply each and every side of this equation by 2 across the board. So when we multiply, 2 times 45y is going to give us 90y equals to 180 plus 30y plus here 2 and 2, they cancel each other out. So we ended up with plus 45y minus 540 and plus 810. Now let's go ahead and combine the like terms. On the left hand side we got equal to on the right hand side, that is going to give us 450 and then plus 75y. And now let's go ahead and subtract 75y from both sides. This is gone. On the left hand side, that's going to give us 15y equals to 450. Now let's go ahead and divide both sides by 15. So therefore, our y value turns out to be 30 centimeter. So therefore, our y value turns out to be 30 centimeter, and that is the side length of this rectangle ABCD. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this rectangle ABCD. And let's recall the area of a rectangle formula once again. Area equals to length times width. In our case, our length is 45 and width of this rectangle ABCD is 30. So therefore, the area of this rectangle ABCD is going to be simply 45 times 30. And if we multiply the right hand side, that is going to give us 1,350 centimeters square. So thus the area of this rectangle ABCD turns out to be 1,350 centimeters square. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.